In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a great montage for your next project. Let's go! So that's the picture that we have. So you can see the timeline here, right? It looks like a step pyramid, okay? So I call this strategy is a step pyramid timeline, okay? Let me play it for you. Go back to the beginning. So I have this time lapse. Slowly, it's open up one by one. Okay, then I have my logo. That's roughly what we're going to do. Okay, this is 12 minutes long, but you can reduce that to 8 seconds if you want to, or less than that. 7 seconds, 5 seconds. Each one is 1 second long, so you can do that as well. But for showing you guys, I have to make it longer. Okay. But if I'm gonna do it myself, I'll reduce it back to 8 seconds max. Basically, what you do, you have your best clips, okay, best video from your past year, if you shoot your videos, okay, landscape, all that stuff, and make it to a collection, okay, a video collection. Then you import it into Lumafusion. Start from scratch. I'm gonna show you that as well. So I'm gonna duplicate all this. It's now in reverse order, reverse pyramid. Okay, now it's really a pyramid now. Now what you want to do is unshow all of this stuff. Okay, so right now I have one by one, right? The eye. Now I'm gonna unshow everything. So this one, that has the bottom layer. Okay, of 12 seconds roughly. What you want to do with your first one is show the eye, okay? Move it around a little bit. Go there. So you move around. Double tap on it. Go to edit clip, okay? Frame and fit. Go to your edit clip. Go to frame and fit, and move this around. Right there. I want to start from there. Okay. Okay. Let's see. But I wanted to move in 2 seconds. After the first clip come in, the second clip come in at 2 seconds long. Okay, so what I do is move this to roughly 2 seconds, like that. Okay, so I just cut it down. Okay, reduce the time on the clip to less than 2 seconds. You can play it again, okay, to see how it goes. Pop like that out, okay. Now, what you want to do with your next clip, it's very similar process as well. Double tap on that, move it to wherever you want. So I want to sway right there. Alright. Go back here, and I'll move it to 4 seconds. Somewhere there, okay? Okay, next one, make sure you have your eye there, let's move somewhere here. And the logo, I animate a little bit, okay? Let me move this around. Make sure you move it into the position that you like, okay? Something like that, okay? It not have to be. If you have more time, just move it to position that you like. And the keyframe here, let's see, a bit tricky with the finger, okay? That's why I use the X and Y position. Okay, begin with the end in mind, so I'll animate this. So that's the end. Somewhere there. I want to expand it out. Size. Yeah. Okay. Roughly, let's play. And move to there. Okay. Sometimes you have to rearrange it, make the timing look right. Okay, let's play the whole thing again. Cool, right? Yeah, so that's roughly how you do it, okay? Now, the next thing you want to do is add some upbeat music, okay? Then it will really pop. You use story block, okay? The story block right here. You can add your own custom royalty-free music from story block you want to, right here. Right in Lumafusion if you have the subscription, but I don't. So let's play. When you have music, it certainly makes a difference, okay, to how all this turn out. Depends on what you like, okay? Music is very personal taste, okay? That's how roughly you do it, okay? So I call this a montage, okay? A step pyramid montage, okay? My name is Jared Chow, I'm TimelapseNuts. Please consider subscribing to our channel if you think the content I supply to you is valuable. Also, check out my playlist. There's a lot of great content there for you to check it out, okay? I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.